Okay, we're recording again. The most royalty. Royalty. You're talking about royalty? Okay, okay, okay. Are we still doing face cam though? Okay. Hello. Hello. I dressed like the worst out of everyone. I dressed the worst out of everyone. It said how to dress up in royalty, and I dressed up like I'm a pirate. I don't know it, but I bet no one voted for me. I'm just dressing up randomly and seeing if anyone really votes for me. In fact, I don't need to play this. Oh yes, I just ranked up. Hooray, hooray. Ooh, let's see. Oh, I wish I could do this. I wish I could upgrade my den. Wish I could get my den much bigger, but I can't. I don't have any money. I don't have any money with me. Swoopy eagle? Nah, I don't wanna swoop on an eagle. That just seems rude. Hey Aiden. Bye. I'm going over wherever this place is. I forget what it's called. Oh yeah, I'm in the canyon's pathway. Jessica, you not speaking is totally confusing me. Do you have audio or not? I think you're just lagging. This is kind of funny. Let's see, Lily Wolf 57357. Cool. Today's your birthday. Oh, I was talking to someone. Someone's like, I said their name. I was like, hello, and they're like, get away from me! I don't have to do what you say. You're not my mom. I want to see who else is on. Who else is on? Which other friends are on? Turtle Nuts? Who's this? Oh! Some other people are on, some other people are on. Run the smoke and run. Whoa, Morgan changed into an elephant. No, but she's an elephant. Yeah, she's huge and she has a big blue tattoo. Hey, that rhymes. It's a blue tattoo. Hi. Who is this? I'm just literally going like everywhere. I'm kind of annoying people. Oh, this girl's amazing. She's got a black serpent. I gotta friend her. She is okay. She has got to accept me. Oh yeah, she accepted me. She had a black serpent. She had like a black cobra as her pet. Now that I respect. That's awesome. Yeah, she had a black snake. It was literally though. She like hacked it or something. It was huge. It, let me check. I just friended her. Where is it? She literally. Where is she? I'll just go back and look at her. She had a really big, oh, here it is. Her name is Darling, oh no, Amen, I-H. Amen, A-M-A-N-I-H. It's pretty much a man, no space, and then it's hi spelled backwards, no space. I-H. It's I-H after that. Well, she like glitched her serpent, or there was a glitch in the server. Her serpent was the size of my Animal Jam character. Yeah, that's how huge it was. It was, let me check. It was right at Mount Shiver. We were at the corner of Mount Shiver, and it was glitching back and forth. She might have left. It depends on what server you are, too. I don't know. What server are you on? This is easy. Really, this is so easy. No! Oh, dang it. I jinxed it. This is pretty easy overall. I mean, all I have to do is move your keyboard. And just be good at that. Like, just be fast. Because this really isn't hard. But I guess it's kind of, I guess the reason it's so easy is because I'm playing easy. Oh, dang it. Why did I do that? I have 1,000 gems right now. How many gems do you have? Oh, dang it. I thought I would beat you. Why? That was so close. Come on, Jessica, you're crushing my dreams. Oh, and by the way, how'd you get to, accepted to play Wild? To who? Well, try to explain it. No. Dang it. Well, actually you can, because you can play it on the computer. You can play it on computer, but you need this thing called BlueStacks. Oh, it just takes a while. I don't have an Android, I just have iOS and Apple. No, oh, dang it. I just failed. Now I'm trying to get a lot of gems. I have 118 gems already earned on this. I mean, it's pretty simple. Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, she tried to friend me earlier, and I was like, who are you? And she's like, I'm friends with, Rose. I'm like, oh, you're friends with Rose and Jessica. And she's like, yeah. Ah, epic failed. You have earned gems. Yes. Yes. I wonder if I can buy a new hut now. I'm gonna end it right here. Aw, I feel bad. Okay. I need to ask you something. I might have to end the video here, but I'm probably gonna do like because this is already 23 minutes long. Yeah. And it takes a while to upload to YouTube. So, what I plan to do is, make another video, like, probably on Saturday or Sunday, and try and get all the way, everyone in. But except, I'm probably gonna actually do it, honestly, on Friday, so I can get Cameron and Morgan in it too, okay? Okay? Capiche? Okay. What? Okay. Bye! Do 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 do. And we're ending the video.